For this training, you'll learn how to create a simple map on the MetroBoston DataCommon. You'll first need to create an account in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Follow the prompts, enter a username and password. You'll then need to verify your account by checking your email, and then you can go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, head to the Do-It-Yourself section and hit New Weave Visualization. We're going to scroll down, and we're first going to create a customized map. A map, along with a table, a chart, a scatter plot, are all considered tools. Go to Tools and find Add Map. Once there, you should see another window pop up, and you'll see an option or a folder for the MetroBoston DataCommon. Click on that folder, and you should see a number of other folders populate in that window. After choosing your tool, and after choosing your map, you need to then choose your geography. The geography can be found at the very bottom of the window that says Spatial Geography for Maps. Hit Spatial Geography for Maps, and on the right-hand side, all of the geographies available on the MetroBoston DataCommon will populate. Let's add Massachusetts municipalities. The list is in alphabetical order. After we save and close, you should see a map, an empty map, on your screen of the state of Massachusetts. Let's go ahead and color this map. To edit a map, or to edit any tool, you're going to go to the Wrench tool in the top left-hand corner of the screen to edit that tool. We want to color the map, which we can find in the bottom of the screen, and we're going to hit the folder to the right. Let's choose a data set that's related to demographics. We have to choose municipal level data because we chose Massachusetts municipalities. And then we're going to go, let's add population by age 2000 and 2010. And you can see that this is municipal level data because it's listed in the title, and the source is the census. When you click on the data set, on the right-hand side, all of the fields in that table will populate. Median age, which is what we'll look at today, is at the bottom. Median age in the year 2010. We're going to save and close that window and save and close. And now we have an interactive map looking at median age for all the cities and towns in the state of Massachusetts. I'm not familiar with all of the names of the cities and towns by heart, so what I want to do is add the name of the municipality when I probe over the map. I can do that by going to Tools, Probe Info Editor, Open Selector, and I'm taken back to the list of data sets. I'm automatically taken back to the population by age data set, where we found median age, and the list of fields are on the right. If you scroll all the way up, you should see the municipality. That's the name of the city or town in the state of Massachusetts. All municipal data sets should have a municipality field. Click on it and hit Add Selected, and then save and close, and again save and close. Now when we probe over our map, we should be able to see the name of the city or town. For example, the median age in Boston is 30.8. Right now our map is pretty boring. It doesn't have very distinct colors. So let's go ahead and edit the legend, or how we've colored the map, by going to the Wrench tool of the map. Down at the bottom you should see Edit Bins. Those are the different bins or legend breaks in which the field that we're coloring on is categorized. So you can see there are a number of different bin types. Equally spaced bins on the right is a description of what equally spaced bins are. To get more information about the binning type, highlight over the I for info next to that bin. For this example, let's choose quantiles, and let's have 25% breaks. Let's change our color scale to be orange, and let's save and close, and again save and close. Now we have a more interesting map. We can add a legend, which is considered a tool. by going to Tools, Add Color Legend. Pin your legend to the map so it stays on top of the map, and drag it by clicking on the gray area. You can make it smaller or larger by dragging on the sides. If you want to highlight a particular area or a particular category, you highlight it in the legend and it will highlight those categories on the map. The older populations, median ages of about 46 to 60, are found in Western Mass, along the Cape, and the North Shore. Click anywhere on your map to release the selection. You've now just created a customized map. Let's quickly add a few more features so it's not just a standalone map. Let's provide some context. Let's go to the wrench tool of the map to make some edits and add another geography by going to Add Geometry. A new undefined layer will pop up. Hit Undefined, and you're taken back to the list of folders and datasets. I'm going to minimize these folders to make it easier to navigate down to the spatial geography for maps, where we will add our geography. I'm going to scroll all the way down and add U.S. states, and then save and close, and save and close. And now we have our U.S. states on our map. Let's say we want to color them gray. We could go to the wrench tool of the map, go to Settings for U.S. states. Under Enable Fill Color, hit the default and choose a color, gray. Save and close. The problem is that Massachusetts is also a U.S. state, and so it also is colored gray. What we need to do is add the data for median age for the state of Massachusetts and the municipalities within Massachusetts. We need to add that layer, drag that layer to the top. So I'm going to the wrench tool of the map. I'm just going to minimize the settings for the U.S. states, and I'm going to click on Massachusetts municipalities in the gray area and just drag them up on top of the U.S. states, and then save and close. Lastly, I think I'll add the ocean by going to the wrench tool of the map and going to background and choosing a background color that is similar to the ocean, and then save and close. If you're logged in, you can go ahead and save your map. Once you save, you have a number of options. You can duplicate this map and go in a different direction. You can make it public so that it will be listed in the visualization gallery, or you could delete it or embed it in a website by using this link. You should also edit the properties. The title can be median age. It's from Census 2010. Here we see the year of the data. It's demographics because we found it in the demographics folder, and the data source is census. Save, and you can minimize those options. I'm going to save again and make it public. And now if I go to the visualization gallery, I should be able to see my visualization there. I'm going to filter on my username, which is J. Henderson, so I can only see visualizations that I've done. And it looks like what I did is here. And then I'm going to go ahead and save this image as a JPEG by right-clicking on the map. It's taking just a bit to load, and selecting Print or Export Application Image. And I'm going to wait till it fully loads. So we have our states. Print, Export Application Image. And I got to this option by right-clicking on the map and then Save Image, and you can save it on your desktop or anywhere on your computer. Give it a good title, and that should be it. Thanks for watching. Check back for more advanced trainings and trainings on how to create tables, bar charts, and histograms. Thanks.